What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about how to start your own coding school franchise. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to start your own coding school franchise. Alright, it's a little different, right? Now, if you're a coder, are you a coder and you've been doing this for a minute now? You have some experience under your belt when it comes to coding, and you tend to teach others how to code even when you're not trying to, then starting a coding school franchise just might be the move for you. I recently learned about this opportunity to start your own coding school through a business newsletter that I read on the regular. Okay, the link is in the description. You can check that out. And the name of the business franchise is TheCoderSchool. They focus on teaching kids to code. It's filling a void in the market due to the need for coders with all these tech jobs needing to be filled in the future. So it's filling a need, which 9 times out of 10 you're gonna have a great business and you're gonna make a lot of money if you fulfill a need. So the question is, how much does it cost to start a coding school franchise through TheCoderSchool? Well, it starts at around $29,950 and 5% royalty of gross receipts. These are the initial fees, right? Now, the full-on investment that's needed to start a coder school is between $65K and $150K. They also require that you have a net worth of $250K and liquid capital of $50K. You can actually start this coder school even if you're not a coder and just want some passive income, but you're definitely going to need to hire some folks that have a proven track record in coding. All you have to do is go to the website, the link is in the description, right? Click on that franchising tab and scroll down to the bottom and apply to become a franchise owner. They will help you take it from there. Now, if you're looking to get some funding for your business, there is a link in the description also that will help you get the funds you need to build or grow your business today, no matter what it is. A small business, big business, you didn't even start the business, doesn't matter, okay? Check out the link in the description. So thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing on for how to start your own coding school franchise. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.